Hello, today we are going to be discussing phylogenetic trees, which are graphical representations of similarity between species. And so these representations are made by looking at differences in what's called an operational taxonomic unit. Operational taxonomic units are called OTU for short, and it's a grouping of individuals of the same species whose DNA is considerably similar. And so two terms which are prevalent to evolution are anagenesis, which is evolution taking place in a single lineage over time, so this would be a group of organisms connected by ancestry, and cladogenesis, which is the splitting of one lineage into two, and so these two branches would no longer have a common gene pool and they would evolve independently of each other. So this is the phylogenetic tree which I have made. This is a rooted tree, which is a phylogenetic tree with a single ancestral linkage to which all organisms in the diagram relate. And so in these trees, the distance between OTUs is known, and the order of divergence is inferred by comparing an OTU to what is called an outgroup. And more specifically, an outgroup is an OTU that is known to have diverged earlier than all the other OTUs. These root the tree so that all the other OTUs share a common ancestor. So in this tree, it is plastic toys. Another thing to note on the phylogenetic tree is the labeled internal node, which points to where the branches split and represents common ancestors before divergence took place. Lastly, I want to mention the term most recent common ancestor, which is the most recent individual from which all the organisms of the set are descended. This concludes my Exam 7 mini video. Thank you for watching.